Good morning, dear students. So we have discussed already about the how to write the dimension formula of a given physical quantities. Okay, we have seen so many the fundamental whatever the fundamental with the derived quantity. Okay, how to write the dimension formula for those quantities. Okay, we have written I think nearly 20. Okay, so still continuation I am taking here. Okay, so today also we are going to discuss the same thing. Some of the physical quantities or some of the derived quantity I have taken here just. Okay, how to write means you just remember that. First, how to write the dimension formula of any given quantity means you just look at the quantity whether it is fundamental or derived quantity is there. दोनों में से identify करो पहले. Okay, so then you can do if it is fundamental means directly write LEMT में लिखो. Okay, if it is a derived quantity, derived रहा तो उसको क्या करना बोले तो उसका physical relation मालूम करो पहले. Okay, जैसे कि force है, force is a derived quantity. How it is derived means it is the formula is what? Physical relation क्या है? Mass into acceleration. So उसमें mass क्या है? One of the fundamental. Acceleration बोले तो acceleration भी क्या है ये? Fundamental नहीं है, ये भी derived quantity है. So यहाँ पे derived quantity को और convert करना fundamental में. Okay, so acceleration को कैसे define कर सकते हैं हम लोग? So velocity by time. Okay, so time क्या है? One of the fundamental. Velocity भी नहीं है. Okay, velocity को और क्या करना? Fundamental में convert करना. So distance by time. So distance बोले तो length. ये fundamental है ना? So length by time ऐसे हम convert करते जाना कि LEMT में ही आना हो. Okay, ऐसे convert करके हम directly लिख देना यहाँ पे. समझ में आ रहा है ना? So that is the way of writing the dimension formula of any given physical quantities. I think all of you understood how to write if I given any physical quantity means how to write the dimension formula, how to convert it into the fundamental. Okay, so that is the way you must remember because it's most important because you are observing many times the dimension formula of this quantity is directly हम लोग लिख रहे हैं वहाँ पे, but how we are getting means from this topic only. Getting or not? So how to write means this is a way of writing the dimension formula of any given physical quantities. Okay, with their physical relation की help से. Okay, so now here also we have already discussed yesterday. Up to that continuation. Moment of inertia. So moment of inertia का formula क्या है यहाँ पे? Mass into radius of gyration. So mass क्या है already? It is a one of the fundamental. वैसे ही रख दो यहाँ पे. Okay. Into radius of gyration बोले तो length. So इसको L square क्योंकि square माप. Okay. So how to write the dimension formula? 1 in mass, 2 in length, 0 नहीं रहा तो t नहीं है ना उसको 0 कर देना. So how to write 1 in mass, 2 in length, 0 in time of the moment of inertia dimension formula here is. समझ में आ रहा है? So next one, angular momentum. तो डेफिनेशन क्या है? मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया इनटू एंगुलर वेलोसिटी. गेटिंग और नॉट? सो नाउ एंगुलर वेलोसिटी पढ़े और मोमेंटम के लिए मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया ऑलरेडी पढ़ चुके. सो यहाँ पे मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया है, सो ये करने की जरूरत नहीं है. सो डायरेक्टली हम ये लिखे तो चलेगा यहाँ पे. सो मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया का क्या है यहाँ पे? डायमेंशन फॉर्मूला 1 in mass, 2 in length, 0 in time into एंगुलर वेलोसिटी. एंगुलर वेलोसिटी ऑलरेडी पढ़े आप लोग. सो एंगल बाय टाइम. ओके, सो एंगल तो नहीं रहेगा, ऑल आर जीरो. एंगल हम डिस्क्राइब नहीं कर सकते. ओके, सो टाइम बोले तो 1 in time, सो डिवाइडेड बाय टाइम है. सो 0 in mass, 0 in length minus 1 in time is the dimensional formula of angular velocity. सो दोनों को देखो पावर्स m1 है यहाँ पे, m0 है. तो कितना आएगा? m आएगा 2 in length, 0 in length, 2 in length minus 1 in time is a dimensional formula of angular momentum. Got it? Next, torque. torque का डेफिनेशन क्या है? फोर्स इनटू डिस्टेंस. ऑलरेडी फोर्स पढ़ चुके क्योंकि करने की जरूरत नहीं है. ओके, वी हैव डन ऑलरेडी. व्हाट इज दैट फोर्स? मास इनटू एक्सेलरेशन. सो मास 1 in mass, 1 in length minus 2 in time is the dimensional formula of force. यहाँ पे होगा into ऐसे रखो. distance बोले तो length L. Okay, is equal to 1 in mass, 1 in length, 1 in length 2 in length minus 2 in tan. Getting I think? So this is the way. See that force already करने की जरूरत नहीं, डायरेक्टली लिखो. Distance already n है, so रख दो वहाँ पे. Edit करना powers रख दो. Okay, next. Moment of force is equal to force into distance. Force already क्या है? It is 1 in mass, 1 in length minus 2 in tan. Distance is what? L. Okay, so next. Add the 1 in mass, 2 in length minus 2 in tan. क्योंकि ये L1 पावर क्या होगा? पावर 2 होगा. So remaining as it is. Okay, so this is the formula called moment of inertia. Next, 2 pi as angular frequency. So क्या है already 2 pi into frequency, the definition. 2 pi बोले तो एंगल हो गए 360. So एंगल को हम डायमेंशन फॉर्मूला नहीं लिख सकते. Okay, that last I will tell you why means. Okay, so 2 pi means there is no dimension formula. क्या लिखना नहीं है तो m0, l0, t0 all are 0 0 0 for 2 pi into frequency बोले तो क्या होते हैं 1 by time period. So 1 by time period बोले तो t power minus 1. Getting? So edit करने के बाद क्या होगा 0 in mass, 0 in length minus 1 in tan. Getting? So this is way as a writing the dimension formulas. Okay. Now last one is the wavelength. Wavelength. To wave, whatever the distance having now, that is called as a wave and as a wavelength here. So distance only directly लिख सकते हैं आप. So क्या है ये? L. So 1 in mass, 0 in mass, 1 in length, 0 in tan is the dimensional formula of wavelength. So this is a way of writing the dimensional formula of any given physical quantities. समझ में आ रहा है ना? So just see that there is no difficulty. If you remember the physical relation, you can easily write the dimensional formula of any given quantities. Getting or not? Okay. So these are the some of the dimension formula of given physical quantities. I'll give some of the work as for you people. You write it and show to me. Okay. So here, number 1, the homework here. Hubble constant. Hubble constant. Second one is intensity of wave. Intensity of wave. Third one is radiation pressure. Radiation pressure. And the fourth one is energy density. Energy density. So these four, you write the dimension formula of the given physical quantity. If you're not getting this in your first year textbook physics only, part 1, the last side is there. The back side of the book here. Okay. There is a table, is there completely table. You just refer only the physical relation. Don't look at all the answers there only. Okay, वहाँ पे क्या करो आप लोग उसका physical relation ले लो क्योंकि हबल कॉन्स्टेंट बोले तो आपको मालूम नहीं है और intensity of wave बोले तो physical relation मालूम नहीं है. Okay, radiation pressure का definition मालूम नहीं है, energy density का relation मालूम नहीं है. Okay, तो उसके लिए क्या करो आप लोग physical relation ले लो वहाँ से उस table से. टेबल से फिजिकल रिलेशन लेके आप लोग ट्राई करो लिखने के लिए. आफ्टर द राइटिंग द डायमेंशन फॉर्मूला योरसेल्फ यू जस्ट कंपेयर द आंसर्स whether it is correct, whether it is wrong. Okay, if it is correct means you think that yes, you are able to write the dimension formula of any given physical quantities. If you are not getting means you just write once more. Okay, you will get for the next quantity, but don't copy the answers. Okay, so do the work for these 4 dimension formulas. So the remaining as a dimension formula only as a tomorrow we will complete. Okay, so tomorrow is the last class for the these dimension formulas. कल ये concept हम dimension formula खत्म करेंगे. Okay, then last as a dimensional analysis, that is also most important रहेगा. Okay, so dimension formula formula लिखने के लिए आना सभी को. Okay, so after that completion we will take the dimensional analysis. That is also most important. How to analyze the dimensionally, okay, of a given quantities or given physical relations. That is also most interesting. If you understood this, then I will proceed for the next concepts. Okay.